Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing well, and finding these different facts of general knowledge is actually quite interesting. I agree with you. Do you agree with me as well? Yes. So isn't it fun to see things around you or know about things that are around you but you never knew their names? Aren't you sharing all this knowledge with your friends and your family as well? Good. So children, do find such things also and do your own research. Okay, now that we have talked about yourself and we have talked about different types of plants, it's time to move on to the animals. Okay, so this chapter is about the amazing animals. Let's begin. Here are some amazing animals. First one, okay, let's read the description and write their names. Now we have to read the description and we have to see the picture and write the name. This animal is recognized by the black fur around its eyes and the alternating light and dark rings on its bushy tail. So, look at this animal. What does it look like? It is a raccoon. Okay. So, if you look at this animal, you see that around his eyes there is a black fur, okay, and then the tail which is there, it is light and dark rings. It's a mixture of both, okay. Next one, this animal is also known as a red cat, okay. It's called a red cat bear and it lives in the Himalayan region. So you look like it when you look at it, okay. It's a small size of animal. It looks like a bear. It is red in color. So this bear, okay, this particular red bear, okay, red cat bear is called the red panda, okay. It belongs to the bear family. This animal has webbed feet and a duck-like beak. It lays eggs. Okay, now which is this animal which looks like, okay, a duck, okay, but a longer version of a duck, okay, and it has webbed feet just like a duck has, and it has a beak also like a duck, but it is a little elongated one. This animal, it lays eggs. Now this animal is called the duck-billed platypus. Okay, next. This animal is found in Australia. It feeds on the leaves of the eucalyptus tree. So children, we have learnt about the eucalyptus tree. It is very good. It's a medicinal tree. So this particular animal, okay, this animal always clings himself onto this tree and it feeds on the leaves of this tree. Which is this animal? So this animal is called the koala and you find them in Australia. Okay, next one. This animal looks like a lizard that eats small insects. Its body color changes according to the object on which it sits. So which is this animal which is capable of changing its own color, okay, and camouflaging with the environment? That is the chameleon. Okay, next one. So children, look at this animal. It is called okapi. And where do you find this animal? Do you find it in India? No. This animal actually belongs to the Central Africa. Okay, it belongs to Congo of Central Africa. So if you find more information about it, do research and keep it. It looks beautiful. Okay, next, do you know the cheetah is the fastest animal on land? Yes, it is the fastest. You look at the slender body it has, which helps him to run very fast and catch its prey. Okay, now answer me. Name a bird that rhymes with muffin. Okay, now think about it and do write it down and discuss with your friends. Okay, now let's move ahead. Circle the correct option. This animal stores water in its hump. Should I give you a hint? Is it a kangaroo? Is it a camel? Or is it a giraffe? It is also called the ship of the desert. Yes, that's right. That's the camel. The answer is B, camel. This animal is not really a bear. Is it a koala bear? Is it a grizzly bear? Or is it a sun bear? You have to tell me the answer. It clings on to the trees of eucalyptus. Yes, that's right. It's a koala bear. Okay. This animal makes a rattle-like sound. Which is this animal that makes a rattle-like sound? Is it a python? Is it a rattlesnake? Or is it a viper? Okay, the correct answer to this is, it's a rattlesnake because it makes a rattle sound. Okay, a bird that cannot fly but runs very fast. That's an ostrich or owl or frog. Can frogs fly? No, they just jump. Okay, so the right answer is ostrich. Okay. Next, it is a wild mountain goat with large curved horns. Now, which is it? Is it an ibex or vicuna or otter? So, the right answer to this is the first one, which is the ibex, a ibex. The slowest moving fish in the ocean is the A, goldfish, Nemo, B, seahorse, or is it a tuna? And the right answer, okay, to this is B, seahorse. It's the slowest moving fish. And why is it a seahorse? You look at this picture, it looks like a horse which has, fins to swim. Next, write one word for the following. First one, animals that live both on land and in water. What are they called? They are called amphibians. Okay, animals that can live on water as well as on land are called amphibians. Example is the frog. Okay, it can live on water as well as on land. Animals whose babies drink milk from their mother's body, they are called mammals. Okay, for example, the whale is a mammal. Okay, it gives birth to their young ones. Okay. Next, animals whose body temperature always remains the same and does not get affected by surroundings. These animals are called warm-blooded. So, even if it is cold or even if it is very hot, it does not make any difference in their body temperature. It stays the same. Animals whose body temperature varies according to the temperature of surroundings, these are called cold-blooded animals. Okay. Next, animals that have backbones, they are called vertebrates. Okay, they have a backbone which helps them to sit or stand. Okay, they are called vertebrates. Now, animals without backbones are called invertebrates. Clear? Okay. Now, children, answer me. Name a camel that has 2 humps. You have to find out the answer and share it with your friends and teachers also. Okay. Now, let's look at an amazing fact. So, children, we spoke about ostrich, which is a fastest running bird which cannot fly. Okay. So, the amazing fact about this ostrich is that the egg of an ostrich is so hard that it will not break even if you stand on it, and it is really huge also. Okay. So, do find out about how this egg looks, and for the one word answers you have the spellings here in the help box, so you can write the correct spellings. Okay, children, so don't make spelling mistakes. Alright, so get going and complete all these exercises.